You can't make a payment in NordLocker? Payments may fail due to various reasons. Here are a few tips that might be useful. Credit card. To avoid multiple charges or temporary hold of funds, do not make repeated attempts to complete a purchase. You may consider contacting your credit card company. It is likely to have information about the failed transaction and the status of your account. If you try to make a payment with a credit card but your account is still not active, a few usual causes may be insufficient funds. Check if your bank account has enough credit to make the payment. Incorrect information. The information you provide when paying must match the information on your credit card. Expired card. Check the expiration date of your card. Fraud detection. Usually, this happens when you try to make the payment while connected to a VPN or using a proxy. Having an unusual IP address, such as an IP address of a different country than your credit card was issued, may also cause it. The transaction was declined by the issuing bank. You may want to contact your bank and allow future payments to NordLocker. If you use a prepaid credit card, register it online before use. Contact the card issuer if you have trouble completing the registration. Coin payments. If you have paid with coin payments but your account is still inactive, it might be that a transaction may not be confirmed in the coin network yet. You should give it some more time. Also, your transaction might have timed out if you took too long to make the payment. In such a case, please contact NordLocker customer success team via support@nordlocker.com. NordLocker will be glad to help and assist you.